Research has shown that buying land within Owo, Nkanu East, is expected to grow more than 20% annually. This growth in land value is similar to what happened in MNA area over the past 10 years, where land value has increased over the years in a tone of 400%. This indicates that investing in this area will lead to significant return as value of land continue to rise due to infrastructural improvements and other factors. Welcome to Grand Mega City Owo, Enugu, directly behind the satellite housing estate, 15 minutes drive from Enugu International Airport and other major infrastructures. Grand Mega City is selling at the price of 3.5 million naira for 500 square meters and 21 million naira for 1 acre with an initial deposit of 50% of the land price, and you can spread the balance within the next 90 days. The title of the estate is CFO, Certificate of Occupancy, which means it is free from every government acquisition. Experience the luxury living and make a smart move in a developing Owo, Nkanu East. Contact us with the number on the screen to get started.